Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 8 to you, July the 14th through the 20th. We're doing just review and writing. So you're going to want to study pages 186 to 187, 198 to 199, and 202 to 207. There are no learning objectives for this week. This week is dedicated to critiquing one another's writing. Make sure the writing you critique has used the preterite tense to write a cohesive paragraph of no fewer than 8 sentences. The paragraph describes student schedules for the day, like your morning activities, class schedule, work schedule. It tells where you went, with whom, as well as describes what meals you ate and or prepared. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 3 and 5 and is due on the 18th. There's no videos to watch, but just open up the class participation forum, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about the class or the remaining assignments. But you do have to, if you have no questions or concerns, that's fine. Post that, but you do have to post something. It is an assignment. For oral dialogue 3, um, okay, so we are just starting oral dialogue 3. So if you, no, I take that back. This is the final one. So you should see a workshop. It's up here, probably 2 weeks out. Where's oral dialogue? There it is. Okay, so this little workshop right here, when you get here, will be right above this. You'll open it up and you want to look for the critique that I provided with my name on it. You'll take that script, and when you're ready, you'll open up Oral Dialogue 3, and you have multiple options for how you can upload your recording. Option 1 shows you how to do a VidGrid video, which is what I'm doing right now. This video will tell you how to do it. Then you just hit record when you're ready. And you'll just have to paste your URL in your submission if you use this one. Option 2 is where you use something else on your computer. This will tell you how to embed it. Option 3 is using Vocaroo. This is how you go to Vocaroo, and this video will tell you how to use it. Just make sure you paste again the URL into your submission. And option 4 tells you how to use YouTube, which is fine as well, but again, you will just need to take your URL and paste it into your submission. This is the rubric that I'll use to grade your speaking. And you just hit add submission when you're ready, and you'll paste your URL here, or you'll click here to embed your video if you use some sort of recording device on your computer. Just get out of this. Okay. Okay. And then writing assignment 2, which would be, I think in this, I shouldn't have clicked out of all of this. Is it here? No, 1 week down, I think. Okay, so here's writing assignment 2. This workshop will be moved down here. You're going to open it up and you're going to critique. You wrote a script last week. This week you're going to see someone else's script, and you're going to critique it, as well as I'm going to critique everybody's writing also. And then you're also going to see the final exam prep. I'm going to move it down here as well, and you're going to see someone else's draft of what they or script of what no draft of what they plan to write on the final exam, and you're to also critique that draft this week as well. And that's everything you have to do for week